The Police Federation is again blasting the Finance Ministry for its handling of wage negotiations. The Police Federation has rejected the new salary scale for its members under the Public Sector Compensation Review Plan. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, the chairman of the Police Federation has labeled the ministry as slave masters.
Tension has been brewing between the Finance Ministry and the Police Federation for quite some time, and it appears the new salary scale offered to its members under the Public Sector Compensation Review Plan did not help the situation.
The figures shown to us is despicable, distasteful, and is a downright insult to our intellect and our profession and the service and the risk associated with the profession.
It's not the first time the two have been at odds over wages, and Chairman of the Federation, Corporal Rohan James, did not mince words as he addressed members at a police divisional conference in Trelawney on Thursday.
We are the foot soldiers, the vanguards of the people of Jamaica, and I'm not going to retract the statement by saying our employers are modern-day enslavers. Enough is enough.
He then turned his attention to the issue of overtime payments currently before the courts, where a ruling is expected next month.
Instead of taking humility and humanity and accept and submit and to accede and to pay due regard for the benevolence that the members have served this country, not only with blood, sweat and tears, but with lives, they have sought to go to the court and engage in a full trial.
It's not clear when next the Finance Ministry will meet with the Federation, but until then,
all is not well. Time jump but time no fool. The time has come for the government to put the capital in crime fighting and to stop playing lip service and stop paying scant regard to the men and women, and we are going to put a stop to it once and for all. I am not going to withdraw the service of the men and women of the Jamaica Consular Force Rank and File Cohort. But one thing I can tell you, if it means that the government can only afford to pay for 40 hours per week, with the stipulation that the officers gets the mandatory break, then it means that you are going to get what you are being paid for.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.